It's very much like the recipe of sarmale, but instead of the cabbages, we are going to use grape wine leaves, which are very healthy for you and helps anti-cellulitis and basically helps weight loss. This is the best of the best creme de la creme cooking. It's called fusion cooking between Transylvanian and Turkish.
Yes.
Specialty we're gonna make. And here is what we're using basically. If you have your round grape leaves, it's okay, but this is what we found, and it's organic. It's called grape leaves by Ziyad, California style. California style. Oh, here it is. And we are using today, we are using Celtic salt or Himalaya. And we are using only olive oil. So do you. Olive oil is very healthy. Remember, everything you cook should be in olive oil. Yes. Derya in Turkish.
Yes.
Derya, tell us in Turkish.
Yes.
We mix. Say in Turkish. We mix. Mixing. Yeah. We do the mixing. Chef Derya.
Salt.
Salt. Celtic salt, remember? Or Himalaya. Whichever you want. Or this, mama. Light. Very light. This is the best salt on the market. No sodium, low sodium salt for people who have a problem, heart problems. This is the best salt. I will show it to you again. It's very important. It's called Northern brand light salt, 50% less sodium. This is what we are using for all cooking and baking, as you can see. Fantastic ingredients. It's gonna be amazingly good. She's got in the tomatoes, including. It's very much Transylvanian. Derya, this is Transylvanian cooking. Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes.
Wow. Look at her beautiful tan from Ankara, Turkey.
Black pepper.
Pepper, yes. No,
okay.
no, because of Jim. No, we're choosing not to put.
Okay.
We're not gonna put any condiments today, but you can add your black pepper. What we can use instead is Hungarian paprika. Very good. Yes, yes, a little bit. Yes, Olga. We use a chipetny. She puts in.
Okay.
Yes. She puts it in. Yeah. Very good. Very tasty. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. This Hungarian paprika. Yeah, smoked. It's wonderful. Oh, just feel the aroma. Oh, unbelievable. Organic smoked paprika. That's what we're gonna use. Derya, smell this. Oh, heaven.
Oh, miss, beautiful. Şuradan tabak alacağız.
Yes. Yes. Derya is the best. She's fantastic. Yeah, the new restaurant is gonna be named Derya ki Olga. Derya ki Olga, Transylvanian Turkish fusion. Transylvanian Turkish fusion cuisine. That's what we are going to specialize in. Because Los Angeles is an ethnic place, this is a second capital to every country in the world. This is what we are going to open, our very special restaurant.
Olga.
Yes, teeny tiny baby.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a little baby wine grape. Yeah, so beautiful. Very cute. And now this is the art of making dolmades. I mean, this is amazing. We love this. This is the best dish of my mother, Magdalena, like this too. Yeah. So today Derya's mother died and we're making a vigil, and this is what we're gonna eat tonight, and we lit up candles for Roxana. Yeah. She's an artist, Derya, artist. Artisan, this is artisan dolmades, Greek dolmades. In Turkish, how do you call this? Dolmades in Turkish too, Derya. Derya, is Turkish too? Turkish dolmades?
Turkish dolma.
Yeah, Turkish dolma. No condiments.
You don't know what happened to my pillow for Gaston, do you?
I am filming, please.
Huh?
I am filming, I'm videotaping the dolmades. So what she does, she's rolling it into the leaves. She takes the ingredients and she's rolling it into the leaves very skillfully. What we did, we put the leaves inside warm water to take off the a little bit the sharp edges of the grape leaves. And now we are making small little rolls, and that's the secret for dolmades. They are nicely rolled into beautiful little tiny dolmades that she makes, Derya. It's amazing, very beautiful. We have a machine that would make some, like a mixer that would put the ingredients together, but we like artisanal, by hand. We like to make it by hand. So that's a secret. Like in the ancient times, when people didn't have machines, we also like going to farmers market and getting our ingredients from the farmers market. In fall, we have a beautiful farmers market every Thursday here. And we have organic tomatoes, organic rice, organic greens, kelp, grapes. We use locally sourced. We are using locally sourced ingredients here. She's shaping it into beautiful little dolmas. Would you like me to help you, Derya? Help? Olga? Help? Help? Oh, film.
Ben sarım.
Olga, I like to film this, so I remember how you did it. Yeah. You are amazing, yeah. So, the way to see how you do it. I do it just the same. It's just Transylvanian, Turkish, same thing. It's unbelievable. Very similar. Stupendous. Wow, perfection. You are amazing, Derya. She's a fantastic chef.
Beautiful yaprak.
Yes.
Çok güzel.
Yeah, she likes it. She likes the shape. It's perfectly shaped. The vine leaf is perfectly shaped. So I'm gonna repeat to you the ingredients: olive oil, rice in fiber. Don't forget to rinse the rice in warm water or keep it overnight. We use the brown rice, which is full of fiber, organic, from Bristol Farms. And then we used the meat, the organic meat that we found here, locally sourced, grass-fed meat, organic. And then we added, remember, low sodium salt. And then we added tomatoes, which are organic again. And the grape leaves that we are rolling into beautifully shaped little fantastic dolmas. This is a very ancient recipe, Mediterranean food, and we have as a guest today Derya Dagli. She's a chef. Yes, and it looks like to me like Transylvanian style. Absolutely, very similar. I can't believe it, because Turkey is in the southern part of Romania and it traveled way up everywhere. I think all nations do grape dolmades, only the Mediterranean. In the northern part of Transylvania, we are using cabbages because that's what we got, a lot of cabbages. But as you can see, you can do it in grapes wine leaves, which is an even better recipe. And on top, when we are going to put make the beautiful arrangement inside the cooking dish where we are planting it into, we are going to put on top a little bit of cut up tomatoes, like Mediterranean style, which makes it even more full of polyphenols and protein, healthy in fiber. This is a complete meal. It's got fiber, it's got protein, and it's got carbohydrates, which is good. Very little or no carbohydrates. That's very perfect. Derya is showing to me that is a perfect leaf, and she likes it to make it. That's wonderful. The quality of the ingredients is very important. And we didn't put any pepper because of sensibility, but we put red smoked paprika, which is very healthy, and you can put Hungarian paprika. Even that is fantastic. The Hungarian paprika is amazing. Sweet paprika, which is full of vitamin D. Here is our chef rolling it in. A perfection, very beautiful. Each and every slice is artisanally perfected. The way you do it is like you slow down, slow. I see. So you roll it in very nicely. Left, you're starting in the left and the right. You cover it up, and then you